When people see a horse lying on the ground, their first reaction is often, is it sick? After all, most of us picture horses sleeping while standing, but the truth might surprise you. A horse that feels safe enough to lie down and sleep is actually a sign of good health and deep trust in its environment. The standing sleep habit in horses dates back to their wild ancestors, who developed it as a survival instinct. Standing allowed them to rest while staying alert to potential predators. To manage this, horses typically adopt a stance known as the three-legged stand, where three legs bear the body's weight while the fourth leg relaxes, rotating periodically to rest their muscles. However, what many don't realize is that horses also require deep sleep, and that level of rest can only happen when they lie down. In familiar, secure environments like stables or pastures, horses often allow themselves to recline, sometimes partially, sometimes fully, and enter a true state of rest. In those moments, you might even see them with eyes closed, legs stretched out, and yes, occasionally snoring. But don't worry, that's not a sign of illness, it's a sign of contentment. Horses' sleep patterns also differ dramatically from humans. They only need about 3 to 4 hours of sleep per day, and it's not continuous. Their rest is spread out across short naps throughout the day, perhaps a doze in the morning, a quick nap at noon, and another rest in the evening. There's no long stretch of sleep like we're used to. So the next time you see a horse lying peacefully on the ground, just know, it's not a problem. It's proof that the horse feels safe, secure, and perfectly at ease.